Welcome back. This is Chuck with the David Business doing some WordPress tutorials for you guys. Today I'm going to talk about the Amazon product in a post plugin, which is a plugin for affiliate marketing that I found really helpful. These are try to keep these at the beginner level. This one's a little bit more intermediate, but hopefully those of you that have just started your blog or your website, you may be thinking about selling some products or doing an Amazon affiliate program. This is a great plugin to help you out with that. So, first thing you're going to do is go to plugins. You go up to add new, and then you can just type in Amazon or Amazon product in the post plugin. This is the actual one here. And when you view the details, you'll see it looks like this. Alright, so that's the basic plugin. You can see in the screenshots it shows, the different styles. Excuse me. Of how they look here, and I'll show you a little bit about how they look on the back end. But just go ahead and install that plugin, activate it, and then there's going to be a couple things you're going to need to do. So once you activate it, you'll see it down here, Amazon product. This is going to be the step-by-step guide to setting it all up. So I'm going to let you guys do this part on your own because it'll take me too long to go back and forth. Because there are some steps required to make sure that you properly get your Amazon affiliate account linked into this plugin. So if you don't have an Amazon affiliate account, go ahead and go do that now. Just go to Amazon and go to their affiliate center and sign up for an account. It's free and easy. They'll give you a username and everything. And then you're going to need to get your API key. And this here, again, will walk you through with pictures, step by step. This is how you do it. Log in here. This is showing you every step of the way. Manage your account, tells you exactly where to go. Alright, and then once you get down to this piece, once you've signed up and you're trying to get your API keys, this is where it's going to take you to this Amazon Web Services. So it's going to be this AWS account. It's another account that you're going to have to sign up for. Free, again, easy. It's kind of a pain, but it's worth it. Just go through the process until you get here. And this is the good part. So now you can have your access key ID and your secret access key. And I suggest opening up, like a Word document or a text window and copying and pasting both of these together because once you look at them and close them, you can't see them again. You'll have to change them. So copy those down and then see what I'll show you here. And then it just keeps walking you through. You already got all this stuff. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go to this right here, Amazon PIP options. I'm not going to go here because it has all my information, but that's where you're going to put your Amazon affiliate code, your API key, your secret API key, all that stuff is going to go in there. And then there'll just be like some options you can just look through. But it's not that big of a deal. It's all very basic stuff. The short code usage, I didn't really mess with this much. It's a lot of information, but it's basically, just how you want the short codes to look, and I just didn't really care, so I didn't mess with it. But if you're into that stuff, you can go through there. They have frequently asked questions and help, product cat, show you some of the stuff that you have. So these are some of the products that I have, and it's actually just like holding them for me. And then you can do a new Amazon post from here. You can actually create it here. So that's a cool option to do that. I do them out of the post. And I'll get to that in a second. And then they have the layout styles. Alright, so the layout styles, it looks like they're not putting in here. So there's some options within the post, so I'll show you that. So this is how I did it. Oops, I'm going to go to Pages. Okay, I'm going to go to my shop and show you a little bit about how it worked. Okay, so here are the basic, this is what it looks like. At the end of each post, underneath the post itself, it's going to have your Amazon in a post product page. So is this an active product? Yes, it's going to be because it's something you want. So what you're going to do is you find the product that you want to promote. you're going to go to Amazon, and I just typed in bike to make it easy. So let's say this is the bike that you're talking about or that you want to promote. So you're gonna check out this bike. This is something that you really like and you want to tell people about. You're gonna scroll down till you find the product details. All right. So product details in here, it's gonna have all this information. This ASIN number is what you're gonna need for everything that you promote through this plugin. So you're gonna copy that and you're gonna put it in here. And then it could come out with a title up here that you want to replace it. You can replace it here. I use this hook into content option, and then here's where you get to decide what you want to do. So this is above the post content or below the post content. So it's either going to be the first thing or the last thing, and then post text becomes the description. And so if you check that, then this becomes you actually write the description for this product. So I didn't do that on mine. Then down here you can choose some other options like show image gallery. Like if there is more images for it, it'll show them. And then show Amazon prices, features, unit price. You can kind of check some of this stuff. Description available. Okay, so once you do that, you can preview changes, and I'll show you what that will look like. So all of that there is going to look like this. So here's the shop. It's my wife's parenting blog. And this is that ASIN that you saw. So it's this preschool prep collection that we really liked, our daughter really liked, and it really helped her, for preschool, learning letters and stuff like that. So we typed it in. It brought up the description here. It shows the price. It's got the picture, and so that's pretty much it. Now, if they click on here, it's going to take them to Amazon, and then they can go buy it, and then we'll get a small percentage of that. That's how the affiliate program works. So there's a couple other options with this thing. I worked with the developer on. He's got a grid format that'll kind of set up a three-way grid with some big pictures. And I kind of worked with him on how to get it and make it a little bit more condensed. So this is where it's going to get a little bit, this will get a little bit more over the beginner level. But if you're interested in something like this, this is how we broke it down. So you have early childhood, you have, parenting, reading material, outdoor fun, indoor fun. So you got all these products, and all of these will link to Amazon through that ASIN. Now, the way that looks is like this. So you may have seen me scroll down past this at first. So because I had this set as post above content, that showed up first, above all of this stuff. Now here are our categories. And this is what I got from the developer. To make lists, you have the ASIN, and then you list each one that you want. So I went to each one of those products and took that ASIN, and then I just keep it in this format so I can take these out and add to them, or I can make another category, but I keep this exact same format for each one, and they show up like that. And the way they do that is he actually gave me via email the code for it. So if you ever talk to developers about something that you want to do, if you go to Appearance Editor, and this is getting beyond the beginner level now, and I don't suggest anyone ever touch that. A lot of websites will even say this. Highly discouraged to play with this code. You have to even press proceed to see it. But this is all the code for your website in the editor, Appearance Editor. And I use it a lot when I work with people to get codes to make small, minor adjustments to my websites. I just make sure that I follow very, very carefully what they tell me to do. So I'm going to hit proceed, and I'm going to go to the style sheet. I don't know if you saw that. It was way down here at the bottom, style sheet. And what I did is I scroll all the way down through the style sheet, and I made my own section. And by the way, I don't know how to write code. I don't know. I'm not a designer. I'm not a developer. I just follow directions well. So I just created Amazon. That doesn't mean anything. I just did that myself. That's not code lingo. I just made that. Then this is the code that he gave me via email. So you can see this wrapper element display block. He gave me percentages, which I messed with the percentages to make it look right. I just went up and down a little bit to make sure that they looked good on the page. But I just copied all of this from his email and put it in here. And then that's it. It ends with that, with that symbol. So if you want something like that, you can always contact developers. You can copy it down by, pausing this video and trying to recreate it. I don't know if it'll copy off of a YouTube video, but if you email me, I can, I'll send it to you. But it's really cool because these developers of plugins will help you out with this stuff. So I just copied and pasted this stuff in here, and and then that's what it shows up out on the shop at. And I did the same thing for my brother's fly fishing blog. And you'll see I just copied, again, I just took the same information that I had it from this one and copied it into his blog. And it turned out really nice too. So go to his shop. So you'll see he has that featured one. That's the part that comes with the plugin. Then I have a little text for him, and then here's some products. I just brought in all the ASINs. I don't have them broken down in categories. I just put a bunch of stuff there. And again, they all link to Amazon. It looks real nice and clean. So yeah, it's a great app, or a great plugin, excuse me, and I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I'd love to clarify or help you out in any way I can. Thanks again.